Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps
Bear. A great brown bear.
Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day.
He sleeps
through the night. The cold winds and the night sounds but the bear snores on. Two itty-bitty mice creep crawl in the cave from the fluff cold snow. The mice squeak,
too dark.
so they light wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals
Hip hop, hip hop.
and the wind doesn't stop. But
Bear snores on.
two glowing eyes sneak peek in the din. The mice cry,
Who's there? Who's there?
and a hare hops in. The hare says hi, and then they pop white corn and they brew black tea. The mice sip wee and the hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A couple of badgers scuttle by. They sniff, snuff the air.
I smell yummy yum. Perhaps we can share.
And the badgers say with a grin,
I got honey nuts. Let's give them up. Look, that's really nice.
then cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chomp crunch.
But the bear snores on.
Then a gopher and a mole
Tumbled up through the floor. Tumbled up through the floor.
then a wren and a raven
Fluttered in through the door. Fluttered in through the door.
then the mole mutters, the wren twitters,
What a storm. What a storm.
and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and twitter, they chat and they chitter. But
Snores on.
in a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. The hare stokes the fire, and the mouse seasons the stew. Then, a small pepper flick makes the bear. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes.
And the bear wakes up.
Then the bear snarls, and he snarls. Bear roars and grumbles. Bear jumps, and he stomps. Bear rumbles, and he grumbles.
He's snuck in my lair. He's snuck in my lair. And you had all the fun.
But me, said the bear.
I was sleeping and I had none.
And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans.
And the bear blubbers on.
The mice squeak, and then the gopher says,
Don't fret. Don't fret.
and then the raven says,
Don't fuss. Don't fuss.
and the mice say,
Don't see. Don't see.
we can pop more corn.
We can brew more tea.
Then bear gulps and gobbles, and he sighs with delight. And then he tells tall tales
All through the night.
when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn.
Bear can't sleep.
But his friends snore on.